Defector. Draw 2 community cards and place in recruits. If either card is underground, draw 1 card and place in allies. If either card is a law enforcer or blue card, opponent may move one of your recruits to their recruits. So this is a typical gamble card. So what you would do is you'll start off by drawing 2 cards from the community. In this case, they'll both go here, and you'll see that I have a black card, which I win this gamble, and I would take 1 card immediately to allies. Now that's an excellent play. All right, that is how it would normally work if you get a black card. So let's try it again. And in this case, I lose the gamble. I place these here, but now the opponent may steal 1 of my cards and place it in his recruits. So again, that's how you can lose the gamble. And then finally, I could draw 2 cards and put them in my recruits. And that's a great draw, by the way. But in this case, both things are occurring at once. I would take a card automatically to my allies, but he can then turn around and steal 1 of my recruits. So all 3 ways can turn out differently.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.